something to ask.
Keep moving, stranger. Quietly. I told you to go! These worlds crawl with monsters. You could be one of them. There's death in your scent, but not in your words. Still, you should go. My friend is injured. He needs rest. Of course he will, and then we'll return home. He calls me Scratch. You can do the same. We were attacked with cackling, furry things on two legs. And their smell, it was strange, rotten, evil.
You know the creatures he describes. Gnolls.
No, I won't leave him. That's enough!
What should I do? Fall, damn you.